kind of stuff that we do for our girlfriends and wives. Okay folks, don't get me wrong, when you see me cleaning up, you have seen me cleaning up before in my past vlogs where I'm cleaning up my room, cleaning up my life and all of that. But usually, okay, let's be honest, I do it maybe twice a week, at times thrice a week. But when she says that she's coming over, she's still got 4 more days. I still got 4 more days for her to come over. I'm cleaning it now every day so that it's sparkling clean when she gets here. All that we do to please our partners, you know, and evidently I'm running out of time. I'm running from pillar to post to get everything done, and I'm just running out of time, and things have to change fast. Did that just happen? Oh, looks like it happened. Okay, things are moving fast now. Let's get along with it. It's the peak of summer. Currently 45 degrees shade temperature. I'm walking in the park, not for the pleasure of it, but I've come out getting things ready for her arrival. Should be arriving in about another 3 hours or so. I'm running behind schedule, of course, as usual, but hey, it's a great moment after a long time. I managed to clear up my table. It's not very organized, but at least it's a start. So that's the beautiful bouquet that he made. He's from Bengal, that's where I am from, and I'm pretty happy with what he could do with one single rose. Now I'm on my way to the airport, and I guess that would be all for now. So finally, folks, here I am, and there she is, a little camera shy probably, and I'm going to take a break. You would probably not be seeing me for the next few days, maybe more than a week, because there's no internet over there and I would be off the grid. So until then, adios.